Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're reviewing the Bissell PowerClean DualBrush 280W Self-Standing Cordless Vacuum, Model 4196K. This cordless vacuum combines powerful cleaning performance, innovative DualBrush technology, AutoAdapt surface detection, a self-cleaning brush roll, removable battery system, upholstery tool, and bright LED headlights, making it a strong contender for anyone looking to simplify home cleaning. Starting with the design, the PowerClean DualBrush features a self-standing structure that allows you to pause cleaning and leave the vacuum upright without needing a wall mount or leaning it against furniture. This convenient feature makes storage easier and improves everyday usability. At the heart of the vacuum is its 280W motor that delivers strong suction for picking up dust, dirt, pet hair, crumbs, and debris across multiple floor types. Whether you're cleaning hardwood, tile, laminate, or carpets, the vacuum is designed to provide consistent performance throughout your home. One of the standout features is Bissell's DualBrush technology. The DualBrush system is engineered to improve debris pickup while maintaining effective cleaning on both hard floors and carpets. This helps ensure that fine dust, larger particles, and embedded dirt are efficiently removed from different surfaces. Another intelligent feature is AutoAdapt Technology. Instead of manually changing settings when moving from hard floors to carpets, the vacuum automatically adjusts performance to suit the surface being cleaned. This creates a smoother cleaning experience while maximizing efficiency and battery performance. Pet owners will appreciate the self-cleaning brush roll. Hair tangles can significantly reduce vacuum performance over time, but the self-cleaning system helps minimize hair wrap, reducing maintenance and keeping the vacuum operating efficiently for longer periods. The removable battery design adds flexibility and convenience. Users can charge the battery separately from the vacuum or keep a spare battery available for extended cleaning sessions. This is especially useful for larger homes where longer runtimes are beneficial. The included upholstery tool expands the vacuum's versatility beyond floors. It can be used to clean sofas, chairs, mattresses, stairs, car interiors, and other fabric surfaces where dust and pet hair often accumulate. Bright LED headlights mounted on the vacuum head help illuminate hidden dirt under furniture, along baseboards, and in darker areas of the home. This feature helps ensure a more thorough cleaning experience and reduces the chances of missing debris. The lightweight cordless design makes maneuvering around furniture, corners, and tight spaces simple and comfortable. Without a power cord restricting movement, users can clean more efficiently and reach difficult areas with ease. Overall, the Bissell PowerClean DualBrush 280W self-standing cordless vacuum combines intelligent cleaning technologies, strong suction performance, anti-hair wrap convenience, and versatile attachments into one user-friendly package. It's designed to meet the needs of households looking for a modern cordless cleaning solution. If you're interested in learning more about this vacuum, check out the link below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gadgetverse reviews and product recommendations.